Yung binigay mo sa akin na mataas na posisyon, but never the top. Binigay mo lang lahat ng sa akin yun para lang manahimik ako sa ginawa niyo kay Helena.
At nakinabang ka naman, di ba? You were gladly quiet while everyone tinitingala ka as my next protege.
That made me question everything. Now let me ask you this question. Was there ever a time na totoo yung mga sinabi mo sa akin? That you really believed in me? Did I really deserve to be your successor?
I know that you could be something. I trust you. And you are the top contender to be my successor. Wala nang iba. Ikaw lang yon. Because I see myself in you. Walang Velma Beauty kung wala ka. Thank you for mothering me.
At totoo ba na tinuring mo ko na parang anak mo?
No.
Well, then let's end this. Let's end this contest. Let's end this entire nonsense, Miss Vian.
You're quitting?
No. You're quitting, Miss V. Dahil ibibigay mo sa akin na ang buong Velma Beauty. Or else, sasabihin ko kay Noreen at sa buong mundo ang ginawa mo kay Helena.